Number 12, the broadcasting product owner. A sprint review is a regular repeating opportunity to realign the Scrum team with customers and stakeholders to answer the simple question: what are we building next? Are we still on the right track? We've been there a few times before. This requires the collaboration from all participants, not just a product owner broadcasting a decision already made in advance. The situation when actually all decisions have already been made and it's more kind of confirmation event. If the product owner is not seeking feedback actively, the whole purpose of the sprint review is missed. And the sprint review itself is turned into some kind of waste. So this is partly overlapping with the selfish product owner, but it's not completely the same. I don't want to end with a product owner bashing here, but as you know, the product owner is the Achilles heel of the Scrum team anyway by design. From a stakeholder perspective, he or she is probably the single ringable neck. I think it's one of the major tasks that the Scrum Master is facing, that turning the different people into a team, a real team, not just a group of people who happen to be at the same time in the same place following the same goal. And getting the product owner on your side is very important.